Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day and thank you for giving us this opportunity to present. My name is Muhammad IRFAN ZULKARNAIN and my number matric is 251-220-754. Our presentation is entitled Product Costing in Manufacturing, a case study of the Gardenia bakers, Sdn.Bhd. This presentation is prepared for the cost principle of accounting, SMP10603. The objective of this presentation is to explain product costing in manufacturing company, including raw material costs, direct labor costs, factory overhead, and the cost of production. And that's all from me. I will pass to my friend. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. So for my part, I will explain about a sample manufacturing company. Okay, so for our presentation, we have selected Gardenia Bakeries Sdn.Bhd as our sample manufacturing company. Gardenia operates in the food manufacturing industry and is widely recognized in Malaysia for producing bread and biscuit products. So it is classified as a manufacturing company because it takes raw material like flour and sugar and transform them into finished product to structured production process in its factory. And in other words, Gardenia adds value to raw materials by turning them into products that are ready for consumer use. Okay, so we will continue to part 3, which is I will explain about a company and product background. Okay, so for Gardenia Bakery Sdn.Bhd is a well-established bread and biscuit manufacturer in Malaysia. The company operates in the food manufacturing industry and produces a wide range of bakery products to meet the daily needs of consumers. Besides that, for this presentation, we have selected Gardenia Original White Bread 400 gram and as our focus product. This product was chosen because it is one of Gardenia's most popular items and is produced in large quantities for daily consumption. And the manufacturing process for Gardenia Original White Bread takes place in the factory before the product is distributed to retailers and customers nationwide. This demonstrates that the company follows a complete manufacturing process from raw materials to finished goods, ensuring consistent quality for consumers. So that's for my part. For the next part, I will pass it to my friend. So please.
Assalamualaikum. My name is SHAHNIZAM bin UDIN. My number matric is 251220926. Today I will explain manufacturing process. The manufacturing process of Gardenia bread involves several main stages. First, raw materials such as flour, sugar, yeast, butter, salt and water are prepared. Next, these ingredients are mixed and processed into dough using industrial machine. After that, the dough is baked in oven at controlled temperature. Once baked, the bread is packaged and labeled. Finally, the finished goods are ready to be distributed and sold to customers. That's all from me. Thank you.
So thank you my friends. Now I will introduce myself first. My name is FAKHRUL ROMZI. My matric number is 251220677. For this slide, I will explain the raw material cost. The raw materials used in the production include flour, sugar, yeast, butter, salt and water. The total raw material cost for producing 50,000 units of bread is 100,750 ringgit. Raw material cost is an important component of product costing because it directly affects the quality and cost of the final products. Now I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is NORHISHAM. My matric 251220756. Next, I will explain the direct labor cost. Direct labor refer to workers who are directly involved in the production process. In the case, the bakery workers' wages and allowance amount to 4,000 ringgit Malaysia. When combine the raw materials cost and direct labor cost, we obtain the prime cost which totals 104,750 ringgit Malaysia. Next, I will to pass the next part.
Thank you my friends. Now I will explain the factory overhead cost. Factory overhead includes the indirect costs that support the production progress. This cost consists of utilities such as electricity and gas amounting to 3,000 ringgit, packaging materials of 5,000 ringgit, depreciation of equipment of 2,500 ringgit, and maintenance and repairs of 1,500 ringgit. The total factory overhead cost is 12,000 ringgit. Now I will pass to next presenter. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend. Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Abdullah Mansab and my matric number is 241220005-5. Today I will talk about my part, which is cost of production. For this slide, I will summarize the cost of production. The prime cost is 104,750 ringgit and the factory overhead cost is 12,000 ringgit. Therefore, the total cost of production for 1 month is 116,750 ringgit for 50,000 units of bread. That's all for me. I will give the next slide to my friend. Thank you.
To conclude my part, the total product cost consists of raw material cost, direct labor cost and factory overhead cost, which total RM 116,750. The selling price per unit is RM 2 ringgit 50 cent. And the total sales value for 50,000 unit is ringgit Malaysia 117,000. Therefore, the profit for 50,000 units of bread is RM 250. This product costing information helps the company determine pricing, control production costs, and improve profitability. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend. Hi everyone, I'm EBRAHIM YOUSEF. My matric number is 241220004-5. In conclusion, Gardenia Bakeries KL Sdn.Bhd is a manufacturing company that applies product costing to manage its production costs effectively. Understanding product costing is important in accounting because it helps companies make better pricing and cost control decisions. Thank you for listening to our presentation.